If you can all three of these,
join பண்ணுவோம். நான் இங்க கேமே ஆன்ல இல்ல.
என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த அப்போ அங்க?
யூடியூப் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும் வரைக்கும். இப்பதான் கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சு.
ரைட்ட போட்டு பாரு. பாரு.
Hi guys, how are you all?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm good.
Okay. Are you all done with your star, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
finished.
How was it?
Yeah,
It
it was okay.
It was okay. What do you mean by that? You're okay.
I mean, like,
Get on.
at the last half, like, the last 4 questions, I don't know, they felt like a little hard to me.
What were they about, Adrit?
I forgot, but like how the questions really were, but like
I
I
have
remember that it was pretty hard.
I have a question. And
Okay.
I memorized the question.
Okay, we will discuss. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Have you all taken the star before she tells the questions?
Yeah.
I have.
I took it.
No. Whoever is in 6th grade, have you all taken the star already?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, then we can talk. Is there any person who has not taken the star?
Me
When are you going to take?
on Wednesday.
Then we cannot talk about the questions. Why don't you send me the question?
Okay.
It is not ethical. You see what I mean?
Wait, we all have the same star?
Yeah, you all have the same star, and Vihan is
Because
yet
we're
to
all
take.
in the same
But
state.
some middle schools, like, they take it at different times.
I know, right? But the same question paper is being given. So I just want to keep ethics in place as well. See what I mean?
Like, Griffin Middle School, they take their STAR test April 29th.
Yeah, ma, they
Our
give a
test
window,
was
ma.
like last week.
They give a window, and in that time frame, anytime you can take it. You got it? Okay, let's see. Can we move? You can send the question to me, ma. Okay.
Yeah, I'm get it.
Okay. Last week I gave you one special assignment. Did you all get to do that?
No.
No.
Why?
I couldn't see that.
You couldn't see
I was actually like practicing for STAR. I didn't
Yeah,
like,
same.
about
So I was too busy to do it.
Me
okay.
too.
I
And I
forgot about
had a
all
lot
the
of classes that
exams
time.
and so.
Me
Oh,
too. I had
I-
to practice for STAR.
I had I had practice for
Yeah,
STAR and I also had tournaments too.
And my school has this thing, like, if you want to sign up for, like, after school tutoring, I don't know, for STAR, you did that, so we could do that, so I didn't have time to do any of the homework.
I used the homework for STAR practice.
Star test. Can you finish that this week, all of you?
I finished already.
Okay. All of the questions did you finish, Pranavi?
Yeah.
Meaning, I had given you on both 6 and 7. Did you see that?
What?
I had given both. I had given both on 6 and 7. Did you see? Meaning the 7th grade benchmark. Did you do all the questions? That's all. That's my question.
The one in the targeted practice for STAR proportions, percentages, and inequalities.
Okay. Okay. Just go ahead. Okay.
Were you asking me about that?
Yeah, targeted practice for STAR.
Yeah, I finished all like 60 questions. Like
Okay,
61,
that is nice. That is nice. Go ahead. Sid, I passed you an assignment, right? Did you do that?
Yeah.
Did you finish
What?
that?
Was it the targeted practice?
No. I gave it to your mom. What did you do with it?
Miss Priya.
When?
I sent to your mom. I have no idea. I told your mom asked. I sent it to your mom. Did your mom not share that with you?
No.
Why? That doesn't do any good, right? Once I give the assignment, you should start doing it, right? When is your acceleration exam?
In May.
Yeah, you should have started, right? Your mom asked me immediately, I sent one big bunch. Have you not even started?
No.
Okay, let me ask your mom because I was so particular that you should start and she asked
Hi,
me.
Miss Priya.
Hi,
Sorry,
what's up?
sorry I was late. I had bad Wi-Fi.
You had bad Wi-Fi?
Yeah, it was just loading and I turned the Wi-Fi off and on and it worked.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, I'm going to really try to understand where are we. Okay, I'm going to start from the base and we'll move on to a little bit of, if you're all good, I will move on to a little bit of harder problems as well. Okay, let's go ahead and try this, guys. I'll start from the first. We'll identify benchmarks where we are weak and then patch it up. Okay, let's see. Okay, there are two questions on the board. Is the second question too small, guys? Okay.
Not really.
I can,
still
no,
have
no,
to-
I
On
don't
the
want you to
first
suffer.
question, there's no answer choices.
Doesn't matter. You don't need answer choices.
Maybe make it a little bit bigger.
Okay, if you say so. Okay, but I really want answers from all of you. Please don't keep quiet in my class. That seems scary to me if you keep quiet. I want answers from all of you.
How do you spell denominator?
Number 1 and 2.
Spell denominator.
DENOMIN. No, I don't forgot. Okay, yeah, I forgot. Never mind.
What did I do? Something went bad, right? Oh my god, what did I do? Go ahead and do this problem. This is number 1.
Yeah, how do you spell denominator?
The temperature in anchor denominator you want, okay.
The spelling. Can you just write it on the board?
Yeah, I'm going to.
How to spell denominator.
Denominator.
Whoa, what is that?
That was my Siri.
Okay.
My bad. I searched up how to spell denominator and then I started
Go
talking.
ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
I actually did the PDF,
Oh, how many did you finish, Ma?
like 40.
40 questions you did, huh? Do you have the answers? Meaning, I really want to understand how much of it you worked because those were very detailed. How many did he do?
40.
40 questions? Let me see. I don't think it was 40 questions, right? That's why I'm unsure what is the.
It was 46.
No.
It was around
Yeah.
40.
See, Ma, not what was in the classroom. I had sent him, he was appearing for the exam. So I sent him a separate set of several assignments. Let me tell you how many. I can tell you how many. Hold on. This was a set of literally how many, 48. Okay, I'll tell you how many. Wait. Wait. Give me a minute, okay? This was a set of how many assignments? I'll tell you. 48. How many questions did you do? That's what I want to know.
There was only one paper, I thought.
We did 42.
There were
48,
36 questions.
48, 36. Then you have 40, and then you have, see, that's where you guys did not do the full 36, 48, 40. So many questions were there. Okay, after the class, you're going to check with your mom what is going on. Okay? Will you do, Sid? Those are all nice questions, is what I saw. Okay? So take your time, discuss with your mom. There are 4 different assignments. You should be doing it. Make sense? Everything has been emailed to you. You have to request access. Sent in WhatsApp. There are 4 different documents. You have to request access. Make sense?
I'm sending
Yes,
the
ma'am.
paragraph.
Send it, ma.
Might not make sense because I'm very bad for it.
Miss Priya, send my answers
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the first one.
Good job, ma'am. Good job, Sanskriti. Yes.
I'm also gonna send my answer for this.
Kanishka correct, ma. Arnav correct. Karthik correct. Varnika correct. Vihan correct. Sid correct. Good job, guys.
Wait, is mine correct?
Pranavi, I don't know.
Is mine correct?
Pranavi correct. I read out all your names.
Miss Priya, is it okay if I connect my other device so that I can use the chat in the meeting? No, okay.
Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead. I really want to get into. Okay, let's see this one. 1 minute, guys. I got a little off. Okay, wait. Okay, now you're all good with this one. Then, okay, I'm going to move on. Then, okay, hold on. This is one, right? Okay. How about this? Okay, this is a good one. I have to make it bigger. How about this? See, these are easy ones I'm asking you though. These are 6th grade level. It just tells me what you're missing. Let's see this one. Go ahead. Arnav, no switching off the video. Arnav, please, Arnav.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Amma, please, you don't have to shout out like this. Okay, you can just hold on patiently. Okay, it's so important, I think. I will definitely come back. If I don't come back, definitely feel free to shout out. Okay. Yes, ma.
Are you hearting the questions that got right, the answers?
What, ma?
Did you heart the answers that are right?
Yes, ma. That way it's easier for you and me, right? Okay, can I move on?
Yeah.
But some of you are not answering. That puts me to an uneasy position. You have to answer, right? If you don't know, you have to say you don't know. Do you want me to pick? Tanishka, we are doing the problem on the board, ma.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I answered to everybody. I'm thinking, did I miss anybody? You can tell me now. Okay, I think you're all good. Okay, but I'm going to watch out who is not answering as well. Okay, I want to go into a little bit more. How about this?
Miss Priya, you deleted oh, never mind.
Calculate.
So the last question I wasn't able to answer because I'm not sure if I clicked the right answer choice or not. So, but I think I got the right answer.
What was it?
But
C.
I wasn't able to look at the answer choices. Which
What
one
was the answer?
I got 37.5.
Good job. Correct. Go ahead.
Okay.
I have 2 questions on the board. You can use the same question numbers, guys. Let's see. Would be nice if I get the answer from all of you, ma, please.
Every time
Wow, guys, I'm just watching. Let me see. Interesting answers from all of you. Okay, if I give you a crying face and it's incorrect. Okay.
This Priya.
Yeah, ma.
So every time I type in like a number like 2 or like 28 or something, it always turns into 1.
Ask
So
your
like
dad. Call and ask your dad.
he's outside.
Okay, ask your mom. Because see, if you say that to me
She
here,
went to
right, I cannot help from here, right?
she went to India. She's not
She
here.
went to India. Oh my gosh. Okay. So when you type in something, what happens?
It just turned into 1. Like I'm just gonna send you a random. I'm gonna send in like 90 or like 2, and it's gonna turn into what? Um.
Okay, then call your sister, ma.
Oh wait, now it's working.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay.
Or
It likes
restart your
to do
mission,
that.
that should do good. Okay, now guys, some of you have answered as point 0.5, which is a little daunting to me. Karthik, what was the answer for this one?
For the first one or the second one?
20. You can use the question number 28 and 35.
Okay, I just said 1 and 2. For 35,
Yeah, 28 and 35, please send it to me in chat.
I already sent you them right now.
Okay. Did I mark it right?
You didn't even mark it yet.
Uh, 28. Hey, 20. Okay, Kanishka, correct. Okay.
Is mine correct?
3, wait, ma. 8. Okay. Okay, Kanishka. Siddh.
Okay,
Is he-
I'm
Siddh-
missing an answer on the second one. Let me fix it.
Yeah, see, that's what I was about to say. Good job.
I
Good
fixed
job
it.
finding it. Okay. Varnika. Varnika, the D is incorrect, ma. And the next one is as well incorrect. Adrit, both are right. Sanskriti, the first one is right. Okay, a couple of you. Arnav, I'm not getting answers from you. What is going on? Arnav?
Yeah, I'm answering. I'm still like thinking.
So when you think about this, right, minus 4.5 by 0.9, right, multiply by 10. I don't want decimals at all. So that becomes minus 45 by 9 is a minus 5, guys. Varnika, did you get that, ma?
Yeah, I got
That's what I
Varnika,
put.
did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. A runner
said-
travels 1.5 miles in 12 minutes. Right? Now, 1 mile in 8 minutes. Is that so? Is that right? I'm going to find out. Okay. Now, how am I to find out? 1.5 miles in 6 minutes means if it is 1 mile in how many minutes I'm going to find out. How to find out? I'm just going to make up a ratio. 1.5 by 1 will be equal to 12 by I don't know. How do you find this? So basically, how did 1.5 become a 12? You divide it by 1.5 and then you multiplied by a 12. So here as well, you have to multiply by a 12 divided by 1.5. So what is 12 divided by 1.5? Is 120 by 15. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s 8. So that will be equal to 8 minutes. 1 mile in 8 minutes. That's correct. If she runs 1 mile in 8 minutes, everything becomes easy to calculate. 3 miles, she will take 24 minutes. So this is as well correct. Okay. Now, per minute, we want to know what happens. How will you do per minute? The same. See, 1 mile in 8 minutes. So, in 1 minute, what happens to the mile? I don't know. Again, I'll frame a ratio. I'll frame a proportion. 1 divided by x equal to 8 divided by 1. How will you make it work? 8 was divided by 8 to become 1. So 1 divided by 8 is the answer. 1 divided by 8 is what? 8. 1s are 8, 20, 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 40. 0.125. Sid, you had missed to give this, right, Sid?
Yeah, but then I added it at the
Yeah,
end.
please add it, no problem. And then, she runs 1 mile in 8 minutes, so 6 miles will be in 48 minutes. This is wrong. Then, is her speed 8 miles per minute? No, 8
It's
mile,
the
was it 8 miles
opposite.
per minute? Yeah, It was not 8 miles per minute, right? Per minute she was running 0.125 miles. So the answers are A, B, C. Any questions in this you can ask. I'm waiting to hear your questions. Vihan, are you answering, Vihan?
Yeah, I am.
I sent my first answer, but then like the meeting got disconnected or something.
No
And then
problem, Pranavi. But 28B is correct. But 35, did you understand how to answer?
yeah,
That's
but
a
when I
tad bit difficult than the first one, but you need to be slow. You need to be slow in working that out because it is a little tricky. Okay, now if I give you this, do you know how to do this? This is a tricky one because I have not dealt with this. So the cost y, there are two quantities. What are the quantities? Cost y and number of tickets x. So that's given by 2 tickets cost $15. 4 tickets cost $30. 6 tickets cost $45. What is the rate of change per ticket? You know what is the rate of change? Can you form a table? Huh? You all know this, guys.
It's
Can you
like,
form a table between x and y and find out?
yeah.
What is the rate of change? In a graph, rate of
How
change.
much is how much y changes when
You got it. How much y changes per one change of x? They are calling for the unit rate. So, unit rate. What is x? For one ticket, what is the cost? That's what they're asking. Okay. Karthik, when is your exam, Karthik?
Oh, it's already over. It was done in March. It's almost been a month.
Your acceleration exam?
Yeah, it's almost been a month.
Let's say we got the pick.
I'm just glad that Star is finally over.
we still got the map test.
Yeah, we still got the map test.
Yeah, but map doesn't
Mine's
really
tomorrow.
determine anything. Wait, what?
I forgot when mine is.
I don't know when mine is. Wait, Frisco ISD doesn't have map.
Really?
Yeah.
No, Frisco does have map. Mine's tomorrow.
Oh, I don't have map.
Mine's like next month. I don't even know.
It's
Send it, guys.
Luke. Yes.
Is map for every school in Dallas or every school in Texas?
Look at this. Beautiful. Wow.
Okay, did you guys get it? So, do you all understand what is the rate of change when they ask you suddenly? You should not be like, oh, I don't know. No, you know. Did you guys get it? Yes, Adrit, that's right. Yes, not everybody is answering. Why I don't know. Sanskriti correct, Sid correct, Vihan correct, ma. But the others, what is going on? Pranavi, what is going on? Varnika, Izzy, Tanishka, Vihan, Karthik correct.
But I did answer.
Yeah, so the rate of change is also called as slope. Rate of change is also called as slope.
I understand what it means, but I just don't get it.
Did you get it? Okay, now let's move on. I want to see how much do we know on. This is a good one.
Can you explain this one?
Which one, Ma? Absolutely, I'll explain anything that you don't know. Wait. I will do, Ma. Give me a minute. Yeah, I want to do this one, guys, with you guys. See, since we have done our sixth grade math already, I want to be a little, I want to make it a little harder and target at seventh grade, okay? Seventh grade benchmark. So let's see this one. Which one? This one? This one, ma, when you think about it, right? This is always between X and Y. So what are they saying, you see? Two tickets, X is two tickets, cost $15. Right? Four tickets cost $30. Two tickets cost $15. So let me $15. Okay. This is 15, 5, 10, 15. This is 20, 25, 30.
I have a
Four.
question. Can't you just do 15 divided by 2 and then 6 divided by 45 and then 4 divided by 30?
Absolutely, that is fine. However, absolutely that is fine. Okay. However, I really want you to be able to graph this properly. When you go into your seventh grade, right? Here, zero tickets is costing $0, correct? So, when I draw it as a line, right, it passes through the origin. Then I can say this relationship between x and y is proportional. Why it is proportional?
Oh, that's
Is
so
it
random.
because there's
Yeah,
a
it is a multiplicative. That is how you have studied multiplicative relationship between x and y, correct?
Yeah.
But if it's
Basic, yeah, multiplicative relationship. Y will be equal to k
X
times
time.
x. Yeah, k times x, like that, right? So 7.5 times x. 7.5 times whatever number of tickets you say, that is the dollar amount, correct? So it is basically a multiplicative relationship. That's how you study in your sixth grade. But going further, I want you to say they follow a proportional relationship. You got it? In a proportional relationship, that will work. 15 by 2 is correct, 30 by 4 is correct. Proportional relationship, you can do it that way. But sometimes, I'll start with a $5. If I start with a $5, it does not work. Okay? That is when all the problems come up. It becomes 5 plus k. You see, there is an addition relationship. You have studied about additive and multiplicative relationship, right? Then you say the relationship is non-proportional. So 0, 0 will not be a point in the graph. So the relationship between the two quantities become non-proportional. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you understand the relationship between proportional and non-proportional? When you Sanskriti, are you here with me? When you plot the points in the graph, when it passes through 0, 0, it is proportional. When it doesn't pass through 0, 0, it is non-proportional. So this is non-proportional is multiplicative relationship. Non-proportional is additive relationship. So there it will be a little different. In non-proportional relationship, calculating the rate of change is a little different. But since this is proportional relationship, you can directly do 15 by 2. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. How about this? I did give you a new question, right? I didn't. Let's see. Yeah, can you do this for me? This is a text-based response. Try.
so I just put 30 as the answer choice.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna fail next year.
Go ahead. Evaluate the expression. Write your final answer as a fraction simplest form.
Wait, I think I got it.
Uh-huh.
I feel like I did it all wrong.
You can take your time, but let me know the correct answer, guys. Which one will you do first? You have to always follow PEMDAS. Remember to follow PEMDAS. Remember to follow PEMDAS. And you should always go from left to right.
I don't get this one.
You don't get this one. Absolutely okay. I'm here to help you. Good job, Isi.
Oh, I did it right?
Sid, that's not correct.
Oh, yay, I did it right.
Adrit, that's right. Arnav, that's right. Varnika, that's right. Tanishka, where is your answer, ma? Sanskriti, what are you doing, ma? Are you doing it?
I'm in the process.
Okay, Sanskriti, when is your exam?
For acceleration?
Yeah.
I think it's somewhere around July.
Are you not writing the one in March?
The one in March already passed.
That I know. Did you write it?
No.
Why?
Because what do you mean by like, oh, so do you meaning that like I didn't do it?
Yeah.
Oh, my mom, because my mom wasn't able to do the sign up in time.
I want to talk to your mom sometimes, okay? Just tell her she'll follow it up with me, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, ma. Okay. Yeah, just go ahead. Hi,
I changed
Satvika. I have
my
a problem on yeah, ma. Satvika, go ahead and do the problem on the board, ma. Do you know how to do it?
I don't know how to do negatives multiplication.
Ah. Do you know what is that, Satvika? -2 times -4?
Sorry?
Do you know how to multiply -2 and -4?
No.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay, Satvika. That's fine. Okay, I'll do it on the board. Go ahead, guys. Others, you can go ahead.
I
I'm glad.
changed my
Tanishka, Satvika, that's why I asked you to come. Sid, good job. Did you invent now something new?
I forgot.
See, if you are not careful, that's hard. Yes, I'm going to do it on the board, see, no problem. Sanskriti, that is correct, but what is the answer, ma? Pranavi, that's
The
incorrect.
answer would be 0.
Correct. So now, guys, okay, one thing remember, guys, when in multiplication, right? If you have negative numbers, first let's find out the rule. Okay, -2 times -2 is a +4. When two friends that are alike combine, they generate positive thoughts. Okay, but a friend that's positive combines with a negative, they don't like each other, they generate negative thoughts. You got it? A positive and the negative number gives a negative number. Negative gives a positive number. 2 times 2 is always a 4 that you already know. Positive number generate positive thoughts. If there is no sign in front of the number, it is a positive. Now, after all this, okay, the last one is this one, 2 times -2. Now, a positive number combines with a negative number. What should it be, Satvika?
-4?
Yes, negative. They don't like each other, right? They generate negative thoughts. Now, my question is, Satvika, what was your score in the acceleration exam? Send it to me in
77.
chat. In the chat, ma. Send it to me in chat. Now, 2 by 3 times -3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, correct? I said you have to follow PEMDAS. Any expression given, you should follow PEMDAS, right? So, here when you think about it, right? When you think about it, here, first is multiplication. You have to always go from left to right. First is multiplication. But you all know fraction multiplication, right? 2 times -3 is -6. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 by 2. Then simplify this fraction. It's -1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. What is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? You tell me what is minus 1 plus 1.
0.
Yeah, minus one number plus the same number always generates 0. Did you guys get it?
Oh, I think I did it wrong in that step because I got
I know, right? So that was a little tricky one. Can I move on? So I really want to
Yes.
iron out areas like this. So clearly, rational number operations is a hard area. Looks like to be a hard area for you guys, but that's fine. Let's move on. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on. How about, see, I don't want to give you very easy ones as well. So I'm looking for harder ones. Hold on. This is a good one. Okay, let me try, guys. If you're fast, then we'll also move fast and it will be very useful, guys. Let me see how come I can make it faster too. How about this? How about this? I'm not going to give you options, okay? Giving you options is a negative factor, I feel. Go ahead and do that. I'm going to give you two questions, okay? The second question is easy, but I want Satvika answers from you for the second question in particular. Second, see Satvika, multiplication and division follow the same rule. Positive with a positive results in positive. Positive with a negative results in negative. Negative results in a positive.
we still
Okay, yeah, all of you should do 16 and 13. Just make sure you're learning something every single class. That's the target. So we are trying to raise the bar a little bit. Let me see. A store sells 5 apples for $2 at this rate. Rate means what? One apple, how many dollars? Or for $1, how many apples? Okay, so at this rate, how much do 12 apples cost? That's a tricky one. So always go down to 1. 1 apple first find out and then multiply by a 12. Did you guys get it? If you don't know, you have to say you don't know.
I got it.
Sid, do you think that is correct, Sid?
Which one, 16 or 13?
16.
I think it's correct.
13 is as well incorrect. My God, I'm a little concerned, guys. I'm noting down. Let's see.
Wait, I'll fix 16, but I still don't know what's wrong with 13.
Yeah, Sanskriti 16 is incorrect, ma. Pranavi, there is no question number 1. Okay, 16th question. That is incorrect, ma. How can it be 48, ma? How can it be $48? I don't get it.
Sorry, I mistyped.
Oh, I got it.
Hey, good job, Satvika.
Miss Priya, I
Satvika,
resent my
good job on
answer.
both.
Miss Priya,
Tanisha,
I don't got it. My answer. Can you check it, please?
Wait, ma. You have to wait. I've told you, right?
Sorry.
No problem. At the end, if I have not called out your name, definitely tell me. Tanishka, that's right, ma. Izzy, I'm going to help on both. Varnika, correct. Arnav, that's correct. Adrit, it's incorrect. The 16th one is incorrect. The next one is correct. Sanskrit,
Wait,
both
I have
are
one
correct, ma.
question.
Yes, ma.
I have one question.
Yes.
I think I got it. So when I divide it, would I divide it like, would I do it like 2 on the inside and 5 on the outside, or would I flip it?
Oh, yeah, I made like a small typing mistake.
Okay, I'm going to correct here, okay?
Oh, shoot.
What is this question? So, see, guys, okay. Good question you're all raising, okay? 5 apples is $2. See, think about it. 5 apples is $2 means they're asking for 12 apples. I don't know. Please write it down like this first. Now, I said you come to 1 apple. Well, how did you want come to 1 apple? Divide by 5 on both sides, right? that becomes $2/5 or 40 cents, right? Now,
Yeah,
12 apples means 12 apples times 40 cents will be how many cents? 480 cents, which is $4.8. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
instead of 1240, I did 0.40 times 12.
Perfectly fine. Now,
Wait,
if
but
I,
I got,
what more?
but then I would have. Oh, I moved Miss Priya. I did it right. I just moved the decimal one time.
Incorrectly. Okay. So now minus 18 divided by minus 3 results in a positive number 6. And then plus minus 4. What is this? How to do this? Whenever you have, as I said, right, two operations, plus minus, you're trying to multiply them together. They are coming together, right? When one is positive, one is negative, they don't like each other. They end up negative thoughts. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Satvika, particularly for you, did you get it? If you have a plus and a plus together, it results in plus. Minus and a minus, then it results in plus. Plus
Miss
and a
Priya,
minus results in minus. Minus and a plus results in minus. When they both
I
come together, you have to replace with a plus. When these both come together, you have to replace with a plus. When these both come together, you have to replace with a minus. These both come together, you have to replace with a minus, Satvika. Did you get that? Yes,
I
Yeah,
Ma,
I
go
did
ahead.
it wrong.
What are
I
your
answered
questions?
2,
Oh no, never mind. I got
but
it.
you said it was wrong.
I didn't say that was wrong at all.
You said 16 and 13 for me.
16 and 13 was incorrect in your case the first time. Right, Sid?
But I didn't change 13, it was still 2.
It was still 2, but then 16 you changed, right?
Yeah, but not 13.
Yeah, I would have gone through 16 first, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe I don't remember Sid, but I'm glad you got it now. Adrit, okay, that was a typo. Okay. Arnav, you're not answering, right? Arnav, Vihan, where are your answers, Vihan? Are you sending, ma?
Yeah, I've been sending the whole time.
1 minute. Let me see. Yes, Vihan, I reacted it for you as well. Yes, you have been sending everything. See, I replied to you as well. Good. Okay, I just want to be sure. How about this? Okay, I just want a little harder one. Let's see. This is a good one. I'm going to give you three questions. Okay, I'm going to give you three questions on classification of numbers. Let me see how you all do it. Go ahead, try all the three. Take your time. If you don't know, just say you don't know. I'll help you. I'll go through all the details. I just want to know what are the missing details.
What they mean if you what do they mean by natural numbers?
Counting numbers, basically.
Natural numbers are counting numbers, correct?
I sent my answer, teacher.
All the three, ma, you have to send.
I sent three.
About number systems.
I sent three.
Wait. You have to give me a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, please, okay? Uh, uh-huh. Please, Adrit, send in the option numbers. Okay. Vihan, is your 26th answer correct, ma? There is one mistake in there. Okay, Siddh, your 26th answer is incorrect. But the question is asking yes or no. You did not answer that, Siddh. Vihan, you have to correct the 26th, ma. But nicely written, very well written, Vihan. That is good, Adrit. All of it are correct. But you know what's, Adrit? You did not answer 27th. Kanishka.
That's because I'm typing it now.
Kanishka, 25th is incorrect, 26th is incorrect, 27th. 27th, I don't know whether it is yes or no. Vihan, good job. How did you correct it now, Vihan?
Because I realized natural numbers are the same as
Counting numbers,
whole
correct.
numbers, but just with a 0.
Yeah, good. Okay. So, 26th seems incorrect for Arnav. Okay. Varnika, 26 is definitely incorrect, ma. 25 is correct. 27, yeah, I don't know whether you're saying yes or no. Adrit, that is correct, 27. Easy,
I'm
I will
saying
help you.
that 10 minus 10 by 2 is an integer.
Okay. So, Tanishka, very nice job. All of it is correct. Okay, guys, when you look at this, right, all integers are whole numbers. Think about it. This was starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are counting numbers. You call them as counting or natural numbers. Okay, then the 0 gets added. So the bigger circle lists out all the whole numbers. So if you are asked about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all are whole numbers. See, the smaller circle is contained in the bigger circle. So all counting numbers are whole numbers. But all whole numbers are not counting numbers because 0 is not a counting number. Makes sense, guys?
Yeah, 0 is a
Then
whole
you have
number.
the negative numbers. Yeah. So that set becomes your integers. Okay. And on an outer circle will be any number that can be represented as p by q. That means any fraction and decimal whose pattern you know. Decimal with patterns. With patterns means, let me give you example. Okay, 1.22222. The pattern is 2 repeats. 1.232323. This is written as 1.23 and a line on top says those two are repeating. So if you know the pattern, then it is a rational number. Okay, now there are numbers that can be expressed as a decimal. Okay, root 2, root 3, pi. There they can be converted to decimal, but we don't know the number of digits or we don't know what digit is going to come next. They are irrational numbers. The set of rational and irrational numbers can be taken as real numbers. Got it? So now go ahead. Go ahead. What was the question? All integers are whole numbers. Are all integers whole numbers? No. Negative numbers are not whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers. So this is incorrect.
Yeah, that's true. No.
All rational numbers are integers. Is it so?
No.
All rational numbers are not integers. Fractions are not integers.
All integers are rational numbers, but all rational numbers aren't integers.
Every natural number is an integer because the integer is a bigger circle. 0 is a natural number. No.
Incorrect.
0 is the only natural number that's not a whole number that's not a natural number. Okay. So if the number is a whole number, if a number is a whole number, where will it belong to? If it is a whole number means, yes, it is a list of whole number is the bigger circle. Inside you have natural numbers. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. So that's right. Then if a number is a whole number, okay, which other categories, okay, this is a whole number. Some number is in here. Okay, which other categories does it belong to? Is it natural number? No. If a number is a whole number, is it also a natural number?
Because it's inside the whole number, so it's not. So
The thing
rational
is,
numbers,
say an example.
like rational numbers would be whole numbers, but whole numbers can't be
Please,
rational
please,
numbers.
please. That was not the question, Pranavi.
What do you
If a number is a whole number, the question was, it must be a natural number. If a number is a whole number, is it also a natural number?
No.
Can you say an example then?
Like
If you say no or yes, you have to say with an example.
like 1.
1.
I don't know.
1 is perfectly a whole number. 1 is perfectly a natural number.
0.
How about 0? 0 is a whole number. Is it a natural number?
No.
No. So then is this true or incorrect? Should I tick it or not tick it?
Not tick.
Yeah, this is not correct. Is it an integer?
Yes.
Yeah, integer is bigger circle. Yes, it is an integer. Is it rational numbers?
Yes.
Yes. Irrational numbers is outside of all this. So no. Negative numbers? No. So the answers are B and C. Satvika, did you understand this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now coming to explain why the fraction minus 10 by 2. What is it, guys? Minus 5. This minus 5 belongs to where in this Venn diagram? Where does it belong to? The minus integers. So you should always simplify and see. Minus 10 by 2 is minus 5, which is an integer. Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay. Now did you get it easy?
Yeah.
Okay, that's wonderful. Now let's see. Okay, I really want you to do 27. Let me see, guys. Hold on. I don't want to be in a hurry, but wait. This one you all know. Okay. Okay. Can you arrange this in ascending order? Can you arrange this in ascending order? Can you arrange whatever I have given you in ascending order? Arrange this in ascending order.
Is the whole fraction a negative?
What, ma?
Wait, the fraction's a negative.
Wait, ascending is going down, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
The
least to
whole
greatest.
fraction's negative, right?
The whole fraction is negative, ma.
Is it a negative? Yeah.
Wait,
Yes,
hold
ma.
on. It's least to greatest, right? Or is it greatest to least?
You tell me. I don't think this is a great question. How many
I
times
think
you've
it's
discussed-
greatest to least, right? Yeah, it's greatest to least because it's going down.
Guys,
it's
you're all
going
going to help her.
Least to
Is she right?
No, I got it. It's
complete
it's least to greatest.
So you're going to send
What
least
question
to
number should we write for this?
so sweet. I'll give you the question numbers. Thank you, Sanskriti.
You're welcome.
Sometimes I'm waiting, guys. Adrit, did you answer? Adrit, what Adrit? I gave you 3 negative numbers. You've given me 1 positive and 2 negative numbers. I don't get it.
Oh,
Ascending
I
order
forgot to
means.
put
Yeah,
it.
then write it again, please. Do it again.
Miss Priya,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have to go.
You have to go. Okay, easy. Noted, easy. Go ahead.
Sorry. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Tanishka, in what order you have arranged, Tanishka?
I sent mine.
Karthik, ascending order means it's correct. Izzy, that's correct if it is ascending order. Varnika, that's correct if it is ascending order. Adrit, that's correct if it is ascending order. Arnav, good job. Sanskriti, I'm waiting for your answer. Vihan, very nice. Ascending order is what you have done, right?
Oh, sorry, I
Tanushka, correct.
accidentally didn't click the send button and I just sent it.
Sid, good job. Yeah. So here on a number line, when you place them, right, this is minus 0.5, this is minus 0.55, this is minus 0.05. So minus 0.05 is here. Then you have a minus 0.5, then you have a minus 0.55. When you go to the left of the number line, right, the value decreases. Value decreases. So the least will always be on the left. When you go up, the value increases. So the maximum will always be on the right. So here in ascending order means minus 0.55 is less than minus 0.5 is less than minus 0.05. Minus 0.05 is the greatest here. Any questions? Satvika, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, arranging negative numbers is very important. Negative numbers you have never dealt with, is it, Satvika?
I've done negative numbers. I just haven't done multiplication and division.
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yes.
the way I like to think of it with negative numbers is that you know how like if it was like positive numbers,
Uh-huh.
the small like 0.05 would be the smallest.
Uh-huh.
I do the opposite.
Oh, that's fine too. Honestly, that's fine. How about this? Okay, let's try this one. Um, okay. Okay. You all know percentages, correct? Yeah, you all know percentages. Do you think you can solve this? A video game costs $40. If the sales tax is 8%, sales tax is a tax that's added to the original price. Mm-hmm. Good job, Sanskriti. Last problem. Karthik, is that the answer for this question? Satvika, good job. Pranavi,
Let me number it.
sure, ma. Thank you, ma. Tanishka, correct, ma. Arnav, good job. Vihan, nice job. Sid, good job. Adrit, wait, let me add those kids who have come in. Guys, I'm waiting if you're still answering. Varnika, correct. Kanishka, did you get it? Kanishka, I didn't see your answer. What does it mean?
I'm doing it.
Adrit,
In the
I didn't
chat.
get it. Yeah. Adrit, that's correct. So I can show, okay. So here a video game is costing 48%. What sales tax I need to calculate, right? Sales tax is 8% of 40. 8% of 40. I have to find out 8% of 40, correct? You all know this formula. Part by whole equal to x by 100. So this is 8 of 40, right? So here what happens? Of 40 means 40 is the whole. Part you don't know, right? P by 40 equal to 8 by 100. We have to find out P. So how to find out P? So basically, how did 100 become 40? Think about how did 100 become 40. First, you divide by 100 and make it 1. You divide it by 100 and make it 1 and multiply by 40. Same thing you need to do here. 8 divide by 100 times 40. You have 320. It was 320 divided by 100, which is 3.2. So 3.2 was your sales tax. So that needs to be added to your original cost.
43.20.
Yep, 43.2. Any questions, guys? Good?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do one or two more. Sid, are you getting it, Sid, this one?
Yeah.
See, this week I'm going to post um okay. How about this?
Oh, Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I had one question on the homework.
I want you to come back again next week because I want to finish this. We discussed the homework, right? At the start when you came, I'll help you. Wait. Then bring it up
Really?
and keep it ready. I'll clarify now. Keep it ready to share with me. Which numbers are solutions? You're going to work this out and find out the solution. Which Sanskriti A is correct. Pranavi? 43.20 is correct, ma. Which numbers are solutions? Select all that which applies.
Minus 2.
Oh, that's a good one. Try, guys. You just send the answer. If you answer it correctly, you can leave actually. Is that correct, Sid? Why do you think so, Sid? Can you explain? Looks like that is not correct.
For all my answers, should I just do them on the board?
Yeah, ma. That way we will know what mistake you did. Adrit, is
Is
that the
mine
only?
correct? Is mine correct?
I have not come across even a single right answer, I feel.
I sent mine.
Or maybe
So
I am calculating it incorrectly. No.
really?
Arno, not correct. Karthik. I'll do it on the board, guys. I'm not getting right answers at all. Maybe I'm doing it incorrectly. Let's see.
Maybe.
Minus 2x plus 5 is
Wait, what
greater
did
than
everyone get? What did everyone get?
minus 5 minus 5.
వచ్చేసింది.
Hey, Karthik, you have to mute yourself if you want to. Can
Oh,
I?
sorry.
No problem, Mama. So I subtract 5 on both sides. So this goes off. Minus 2x is greater than minus 8. Now, guys, this one I don't think you were taught. Okay, I just gave you.
I thought it meant which numbers do you replace
Am I
X
correct?
with to
Getting all
be.
of them
Now,
right.
whenever I divide by a
I'm
minus
not
2,
even showing it. It's not even on the screen.
what is not showing, Ma?
Am I correct?
Amma, please, I'm explaining, right? If you go on asking, am I correct? Am I correct? How will I say? I just checked everybody's answer, then I'm going ahead and explaining, right, Ma? So why don't you listen and then we'll go back there. Vihan, that doesn't seem right. It's a little tricky problem. I'm going to explain it on the board. Satvika, not really Satvika. So here, when I divide it by minus 2, see, when there is an inequality is when you have greater, less than, right? Or greater than equal to or less than equal to. When you have an inequality, there is one thumb rule you need to follow. When you multiply or divide by a negative number like you're doing here, right? You have to flip the sign. When you write the answer, you'll have to flip the sign. X is less. I think you guys were correct. Let's see. X is less than 4. If because this is minus 8 by minus 2. So some of you got it right, I feel. X is less than 4. X is less than 4 means A and B are the only answers. Makes sense?
What about E?
That's what I.
Oh, E, correct. Good job, Pranavi. Good call.
Yeah.
A,
I did
did
A
get
B.
it
yeah,
right.
some of
Yeah.
them. I'm sorry,
I
Ma.
sent
I said some of
ABs.
you got it
Yeah, I
correct.
did ABE too.
ABE, whoever said was correct.
Same.
Okay. Any questions,
Yeah.
please?
No.
Okay, Sanskriti got it, Ma. Just now I'm looking at your answers. Kanishka, A, B, E are right. Did you understand why? Sid got it. Pranavi got it. Karthik got it.
Can we leave once you're done?
Yes, Ma. Yeah, you can leave.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya. Have a nice day.
You too,
Bye,
guys.
Bye,
Miss
Miss
Priya.
Priya.
Bye, guys.
I don't
Satvik.
have any work today.
Oh, okay. You're done. You can work on the homework, right? Okay, Satvika, with you, right? I'm going to provide an assignment on integers. You're going to do it. Make sense?
Okay.
For this week. Make sense, Ma? Additionally, you'll be given 4 different assignments. You're going to do that as well. Okay, Ma?
Okay.
Okay, I'll add you to a classroom. You can start working on that. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Ma. Bye. I'll talk to your
Bye.
mother.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Good job joining, though. Hi, guys. How are you?
Good.
Okay. Where are we? Again, I have the same question for you all. What are you doing in school? Ashita, 1 second, ma. Let me switch on the light if you don't mind. Okay. I need the algebra too. Yeah. What are you guys doing in school, guys? What are you doing in school? Hey, I'm asking you.
We just did we did the algebraic we already did like trigonometry and geometry, and then we came back to it to do like the algebraic version of it, and we covered like radians and all of that, and we just had our unit test yesterday. I'm on Friday.
Oh, radians. Okay. Are you starting with pre-calc?
Wait, no, not yeah. I don't know, cause this is still algebra 2.
Yeah, but I can get you started with pre-calc. That is also good, but I really want to do a little bit more on algebra to SAT-based questions, then move on to pre-calc. How about you, Ashita? What are you doing in school?
I'm in geometry.
No, no, okay. So what are you doing? Okay, okay. You sent me the calendar, right, for geometry.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're doing probability.
Yeah. How about you, Abhiram? What are you doing?
We just finished Unit 10 and now we're gonna do Unit 11. But I don't know what we're learning in Unit 11 yet.
Okay. Are you still on logarithms?
No, we finished the logarithms.
Then what is unit 11? You don't know what it
Yeah,
is.
we don't know yet. We just took the test.
Oh, wow. Okay. I see. 1 second. I really wanted to do something with you guys. Hold on. Yeah, we are on exponential logarithmic functions, right? Let's see. Yeah, we can do this. Let's see, guys. Oh, wow. Okay, this is a good one actually. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's try this one. 28. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, the answers. Okay, how about this? What is the answer to this? Let me enlarge this. What is the answer to this? What is the answer to this? We have started looking at, see, in pre-calc as well, we are going to repeat rational, polynomial, exponential and logarithmic functions. You studied, right? Last 4. Rational functions, polynomial functions, exponential functions, logarithmic functions. Whatever you studied in algebra 2, right? The last 4 is going to repeat in pre-calc, the first part. But it'll be a little different though. Okay. So to lay the foundation, right? Let's go ahead and do this. Okay. Meaning this relates to your current as well as future work. Let's see. Go ahead and do that.
Is that my answer?
Yeah, I'm seeing. I don't. Yeah, that's right, Ashita. Others, did you get it? Did you get it?
Yes, I sent it.
Anya hasn't. Okay. Uh, Abhi and Sricharan, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm typing in my answer right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just happy.
This is base half. But I can write this out as, with the base half, I can write this out as 1 by 2 power 3, right? This comes here, I can write this out as 3 log base half to half. So this one entirely becomes a 1 since the base and the number are equal. So the answer is 3. Now let me see guys, this one, see. Particularly the word problems, I really want to look at this in depth. Wait, let me see. Okay, I just want to be sure that we have covered all of the problems related to this. You can let me know if you have not come across any of these, then we can do. Let's see. Okay, let's see. See, continuously compounded interest, did we discuss last week?
I think so.
Okay. Compound interest compounded n times per year, you use this formula. Growth and decay models, I think we have done. Carbon 4 dating, we would have done it using, okay, this is for carbon 4 dating. You don't have to deal with carbon 4 dating. Okay, as long as you know this formula, it's enough. N meaning the amount of sample remaining will be equal to the original amount times, this is what I want you to know, meaning half life or double life, then power of T by the T by H or whatever. See, this formula, if you know, it's more than enough. If we have not discussed that, we will definitely discuss that, because this and this are almost similar. You don't have to know this. This is enough. Okay, coming to word problems, right? They will give you these formulas. You don't have to memorize any of these. As long as you're able to process this into ln equations and exponential equations, it's more than enough. You don't need extras. You don't need to memorize any of these. However, when they are given in a word problem, they will give you that, let's say earthquake magnitude is this, they'll give you. But you should be able to process it using exponential functions or logarithmic functions, or find inverse and process it. As long as you do that, that should be enough. These are the word problems that could possibly come in exponential and logarithmic functions. So that's why we are dealing with this. So let's do some of the problems and see whether we are able to. Okay, how about this? Okay, let's see this, guys. We are going to use, 1 second. This is a good one. How about this? Let's try this one. Or I'll have the problem here. Okay. Bain has a barbecue for his basketball team and starts his grill, which promptly heats up to about 350 Fahrenheit. He then gets distracted by the hamburger dance and his gas grill runs out of propane. When Bean checks his grill 5 minutes after the propane ran out, the grill has cooled to 275. Assuming that the outside temperature was 45 Fahrenheit. Okay, now use Newton's law of cooling to find out K. So, what is the formula you would use? They would have given you that the Newton's law of cooling formula is this. So, let's write out the formula. What is this formula? Temperature of an object after this small t will be equal to Ts, the temperature of the grounding environment, plus T0 is the initial temperature of the object. When we started everything, what was the initial temperature of the object? And then subtract Ts. What is the Ts temperature of the surrounding. Oh, this is temperature of the surrounding. This is Ts is the same as this and this are equal. Surrounding. This one is the initial temperature. Then e power of minus kt. See whether you are able to work this out and find out your k value. Just plugging in. You have to plug in 350, plug in 250 and assume the outside temperature, that is the surrounding temperature, right? Initial temperature you have and temperature of the object at time t. You have that as well. So substitute, but the real skill is solving this equation and getting the value of k. Tell me the value of k. If you don't get it as well, you have to let me know so we can do it together. I don't understand. Okay. Minus y. Let's try, guys. If you know, you can do both 1 and 2. We'll also do one half-life problem today. Okay. If you're not getting it, please let me know as well. You want me to work it out? Let me know. Yeah. Get it? 0. Is that right? I don't know. I'm checking now. Wait. Is that right, Achita?
I don't know. I tried something. I'm not really sure.
Yeah, it doesn't seem so. Okay, let's see together. Here, temperature after time, this is 275, I would put. Surrounding temperature is what? Surrounding temperature is also given as 45, right? Plus the starting is 350 minus surrounding temperature is 45 e power of minus k times 5 minutes after the propane ran out. Okay, so
My answer.
yeah, you sent your answer, ma? Okay, let me see. You sent your answer, let me check. Yes, Navneet, you got it. Sri Charan, that's not the answer, right? Sri Charan, I need a decimal number. What is this? You're making me work.
I don't have a calculator.
Yeah, I can't work that out, right? E power of minus kt is what? 5 minutes it's given. So here what do I do? 275 minus 45. Minus 45 on both sides. You get 230 will be equal to 350 minus 45 is 305 e power of minus 5k. Now divide by 305, divide by 305. So 230 from here, 230 by 305 will be equal to e power of minus 5k. This becomes a little difficult, so take ln on both sides. 230 by 305. If I take ln on both sides, ln and e will get cancelled and this will be equal to minus 5k. So k will be equal to ln of 230 by 305 divide by minus 5. What are you getting in this for this? Abhiram, did you understand how we do?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, you got it, Abhiram. Okay,
Wait,
answer is
Priya, why
0.
can't we do 45 plus 350 minus 45 305?
Where, ma?
Like what I did is I simplified the one in the parentheses, 350 minus 45, and I got 305.
Correct,
And
yeah.
I added that to the 45. So I
Yeah, you
got
can do
350.
that. Wait. That you can do. 275 will be equal to 45 plus 305 times e power of minus 5k, right? This is multiplication, PEMDAS, right?
Okay.
You
That's
got
what that's what
Yeah,
I did.
I'm glad. I'm glad. Anywhere, whatever, you have to follow PEMDAS. Can I move on? Okay, then. Now, K will be equal to 0.056, right? How long will it take for the grill to cool down to a safe temperature of 90 Fahrenheit? Try, guys. get it, no? 34, yeah. Yeah, Shruta. Abhiram, you got it. Did you get it, Sri Charan and Navneet?
I'm putting it together.
Yeah. Did you get it, guys? Yeah. Okay, let's move on. I have to give you one or two more of this. Let's see. I said I wanted to give you the half-life questions. Let me see. Half-life, we did discuss the formulas earlier, and here is the formula as well. So, the half-life of a certain radioactive substance. If you didn't get it, immediately tell, I'll do it. Done, guys. Oh, that's right. Yes, my 34 for the last question was right. 26th, let's do. 20. What is that? 25th. Huh? Oh, that's a good question to do. Let's see. Oh, wow. That is as well. Wow, that's nice, guys. Looks like all of you got it, right? Navaneet, Sri Charan. Ashrita, did you get it? Abhiram, did you get it?
I'm still solving.
Okay. Navneet, did you solve already?
No, I'm doing it.
How long will it take for the grill to cool down to 90? Looks like you guys didn't 34 minutes, huh? That's interesting. I'm going to bring that question up again, guys, because all of you said 34 minutes, but that doesn't seem right. I'm going to bring up the other question. Somehow I missed it. Let's see. Yeah. And functional versus. Let me see what we did in the pre-calc class. Okay. Guys, okay. Okay, I'm going to bring up the other question as well. Other question as well, I don't think we worked it out correctly for the second, for the B answer. Let's see. Okay, both the questions seem incorrect. Let's see. Okay, this one we did solve k equal to 0.056. For this, if you had answered 34 minutes, it's incorrect. We have to solve this. Okay, many of the couple of the answers are 34 minutes. That seems incorrect. Please, let's use question numbers to solve. What is the answer for 25? Ashrita, is the answer 22?
I think so.
Okay, Navneet, have you sent the answer? Have you sent ma or are you working?
Yeah, I'm sending.
Okay, there is clearly something wrong in the B. Either the key is wrong or you guys are doing it incorrectly. I don't know. Let's see, ma. So this was K we found out, right? And the formula is this we know. First let me do the problem that we left off with. I'm sorry, I missed somehow. Plus T0 minus Ts e power of minus KT. Now, how long will it take for the grill to cool down to a safe temperature of 90, right? So then this is 90, surrounding temperature is 45, original temperature was 350 minus 45 e power of minus 0.056 times t. That t is what we don't know. Now this is 305 e power of minus 0.056 t. 90 minus 45 is a 45. 45 by 305 ln I am going to take on both sides. So that will become minus 0.056 t. Now t will be equal to ln 45 by 305 divided by minus 0.056. What is the answer?
That's 34.17.
$45. second, guys. Let me quickly check. Ln 45 by 305. What is 45 by 305? Let me check, guys. It's 45 by 305 because I don't want to misguide. 0.1475. Mm. 45 by 305 is correct. Ln e power of 90 equal to 45, 350 minus 45, correct, right? Minus 0.056d. 4460, that's fine. You took ln on both sides, right? Yeah, 45 by 305. Okay. Ln 45 by 305. 1 second, guys. Let me now do it myself. Ln 45 by 305. Now divide by 305 by 45 divided by minus 0. Then the answer is definitely completely wrong. Okay, so 34 minutes, guys. Okay, I am with you all. Okay, can we go ahead and do the next one? The first one. What did you all get? 34 minutes seems correct for the second one. For the first one, the half-life of a certain radioactive substance. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, Abhiram, that's right. Navneet, that's right. Yeah, so this one seems pretty easy. If you have gotten 34, that's great. Okay, 34, whatever it is, seconds. Huh? If you get that, it's correct. If you didn't get that, you have to let me know. Okay. I don't know whether we did problems in continuously compounding. Let's see one problem in continuously compounding. What is this? How about this? Guys, what formula are you using here if it is continuously compounded? PERT formula you need to use. See, because this formula, you can actually prove this, meaning this formula becomes this if it is continuously compounding. So you will have to use the PERT formula.
Are they not the same thing?
They both are not the same thing. You know why? I'll tell you. A will be equal to P times 1 plus R. This is n times compounding per year. Okay, then you use this. This formula is not the same thing. Why, see here, it becomes E. This entire thing becomes E, the number E. Do you see it?
Oh, I don't think we learned this.
Yeah, we learned,
Oh,
okay. We brought it into the classroom, but today we are solving everything together. I was thinking, meaning you should not wrongly substitute this formula here. You should be using, if it is continuously compounding, this particular piece reduces to E. These are things I had, okay, when we have time, we'll solve together. I thought this will be useful for you. Similarly, have you studied law of sines and cosines?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When did you study, Ashrita?
Geometry. You taught us in class.
Law of cosines, huh?
Yeah, you taught us sine and cosine.
Okay, not every year I do. Okay, I see. Then that's good. Okay, that again comes in pre-calc.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice to know. But yeah, this year we learned, huh? Interesting.
Wait, Miss
Yeah.
Priya,
Okay, that's
does
nice.
Yeah.
law of cosines and sines come in like we're doing it right now, but would this be happening again at school in like pre-calc?
You're learning law of sines and cosines, huh?
No, we already did that at the beginning of geometry, but we're like going over it again, but like in a deeper level.
Oh, again, then what happens in pre-calc is you will be given, they may not teach again, but then they will introduce you to vectors, and in vectors you'll use law of cosines and sines to find out angles and length. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah, so you may not be studying now. I think you'll be given the sides of a triangle and find out the angle like that. Or when does the law of sines doesn't, meaning there is a special case where it doesn't work, right? So maybe all that skills you'll be learning. But in pre-calc, what happens is they'll introduce you to vectors and ask you to solve for the word problems in vectors using law of sines and cosines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, some of you here do, yeah, I don't think you've been introduced to law of sines and cosines. We'll see what to do with that.
You
Did you
taught
get
us in
that?
geometry because Dhruv did it in school.
What is that?
You taught us law of sines and cosine because Dhruv was doing it in school.
School. Oh, okay, nice. See, that's why every year I don't cover that. That's why, okay. Yeah, I don't exactly, I have to go check. Thanks, Ashrita. Okay, so this one is,
I got an answer, but I don't think it's right.
um,
Same.
0.512. Navneet, did you make a sanity check with your answer? Meaning, see, whenever you answer, right, these things are very practical applications, right? If you say 0.5 years, it's 6 months. Okay, did you think he invests $1 at a 9% interest, compounded continuously? In how many years will the $1 become $100? Can it be in 6 months? There's no way, right? So
Yeah.
always do that sanity check whenever, wherever you do math problems, right? When you do that sanity check, that itself tells you the answer is incorrect. You saw what I mean? You see what I mean? That seems right, Ashrita. 51, yeah, 50. What was your answer? That is correct. Sri Charan, it is not 4.22, ma. Okay, I'm still unsure, trying to understand where you guys are making the mistake, because this is just substitution, right? Maybe we'll do, but I want to know where you're making the mistakes. Sully invests $1, so the principal is $1. 9% interest. 9% interest is 0.09. Okay, how many years we need to know? It will be worth $100. Now this is 100 will be equal to e power of 0.090 take ln on both sides. Ln of 100 will be equal to minus 0.09 t. So t will be equal to ln 100 by 0.09. Is this what you got, Ashrita?
Yes.
So the answer is 51.2 years. Can I move on? Okay. Okay, this is good. And okay, I really want to understand a couple of things. Let's see. This is good. How about this is good. Okay. What is the inverse of the given function? Ln y equal to ln 2x minus 1. Ln y equal to ln 2x minus 1. Ln y equal to ln 2x minus 1. What is the inverse of this function? Am I not able to? Okay, this is unit 7. Let's see what more.
Wait, Miss Priya, can the ln cancel out on both sides?
Can the ln cancel on both sides? No. Yes. Yes, it can.
Okay.
Oh, that was so easy, right? I didn't see that.
Yeah, because I was thinking, I did not know if you could do it for sure.
I honestly did not see that. Yes, you can, because if you raise it to exponent on both sides, right, automatically it becomes y equal to 2. I didn't see that. I didn't think that was so easy. Okay. Nice catch. Okay, I'm just looking at functional polynomial. See this exponential and log functions, what else is there? Let's see. Before we switch off to pre-calc. Yeah, law of cooling. Yeah, earthquake problems can come, but we did that. I feel I don't want to do earthquake. Yeah, but these problems are good again. Sorry, let's see. We'll do one or two.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I don't understand 29.
29. 29, the PERT formula, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. A equal to P e power of RT, right? The principal invested is 1. Amount you need is 100, the final amount. E power of 0.09 was the rate of interest, right? Right? And then T. Now we have to solve this, right? 100 equal to e power of minus, I'm sorry, plus 0.090, right? Take ln on both sides. When you take ln, this one will get cancelled. This will become this, right? Now t will be equal to ln 100 by 0.09. Make sense?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Chetan, what are you doing in school?
We just finished the unit you're doing.
I see.
Like, all the formulas, but you didn't do anything like ln or like whatever you're doing. I'm not sure. Like, we did some of them like half-life, compounded continuously, but I'm not, some of them I don't recognize what you're
Okay,
doing.
so how did you solve problems that were e power? Oh, you're doing exponential functions. You are not into logarithmic functions, huh?
I think so, yeah. No,
Oh,
we didn't go deep into logarithmic. We just did converting back and forth from exponential and logarithmic, and also transformations of both. So, yeah.
oh, oh. Did you work on log functions? Log, natural log. Did you work on log functions? I understand that you have not worked on natural log, but have you worked on log base 10?
Like for example, we had log 6 and then like a number equals another. So like we had to convert back and forth between
Oh,
exponential and log.
I see, I
We
see.
did that.
I see. Okay. Okay, but it's good for you whatsoever if you practice everything. So, yeah. Uh, did you get it? Sri Charan, did you get the answer for the first 29th problem?
Yeah,
Inverse is
it's
very easy, guys, here. So both are ln, right? Ln y equal to ln of 2x minus 1. Put to e power ln. Because of the ln, you'll put the inverse, meaning take exponent on both sides. So it will be e power of ln. E power of ln becomes 1. So y will be equal to 2x minus 1. However, the inverse is change x to y, y to x. Remember that? Now x plus 1 by 2 will be equal to y, that is f inverse of x. Make sense? Okay. Now let's move on. Oh, why this many bean problems? Okay, now let's go ahead. This one is good. Okay. How about this? I don't know whether you have the... Okay. I don't want to keep working on log, 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 log. Okay, let's see what to work on. Linear functions, basic factoring, polynomial graph. Yeah, this one I want to review once. This one is a good one. Oh wow. I don't want this, wait. Oh, skills, okay, I don't want to do that. Law of sines, cosines we'll see later, but okay, let's see this one. Have you come across radians? Meaning, I am going out of algebra 2 a little bit, guys, okay?
we did this in geometry.
Oh, in radians, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, how about let's see. Would you be able to find out, let's see, convert radians, 15 pi by 4. 15 pi by 4. Would you be able to convert to degrees?
You want to send it in chat?
Yeah, you can send it in chat. I'm getting a little bit out of algebra 2. Okay. We'll make use of the classes to learn a little bit of the basics before we jump into pre-calc. Abhiram, you know how to convert Abhiram because I have not worked with you on radians. I'm just asking. 15 pi by 4, do you know how to convert radians to degrees? Completely off topic. We are not discussing algebra 2. So before
Me?
we pre-calc, everything will be in radians. Nothing will be in degrees. Do you know how?
Oh,
If you don't know, it's okay. I'm going to go over it. That's why I'm asking.
oh wait, are you talking to me?
Yeah.
I have
No idea.
no clue. Do you like multiply 15 with
No problem.
20?
See here. 180 degrees is this, right? 180 degrees is pi radians is the only thing you need to remember. If you remember that, then everything becomes easy. 180 degrees equal to pi radians, okay? The problem why we are bringing this up is as soon as you enter pre-calc, nothing will be, meaning when you talk about angles, nothing we will discuss in degrees. Everything will be in radians and throughout in radians. So you should be very comfortable with radians. So the only thing you need to remember is this 180 degree angle equal to pi radians. In that case, you can do any conversion, so you'll have to remember. Now, this one in radians, right? 15 pi by 4 is what? So, cross multiply. So, answer is 180 times 15 pi by 4 divided by pi. Does that make sense?
Oh yeah, it is.
16, 7, 8, 45. 45 times 15. What is 45 times 15? 5 is a 25, 2, 5 is a 20, 25, 27, 2, 4, 675. So 675. Makes sense? 675 degrees.
I'm outside the donut shop across the street.
You're okay, Abhiram?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Let's go ahead. That is one. And what else I wanted you to try? Okay. You know how to let's see this one. You know how to rationalize denominators, is it? So 3 root 3 by root 2. Do you know how to rationalize denominators? You all remember how to rationalize denominators? You cannot express any answer with a denominator as an irrational number. So do you know how to rationalize denominators?
Yes.
Okay, so you will multiply by root 2, multiply by root 2, this becomes 3 root 6 by 2. So this is an acceptable answer. 3 root 3 by root 2 is not an acceptable answer since denominator is irrational. Okay, that is one. Okay, let's go back. This is on radians. What else is there I really want to go over? Semester 2 radians. Basic trig functions. What are we doing on that? Oh, coterminal angles and all you don't know yet. Okay. Yeah, we'll stop here, but next week I'll get started with a little bit of pre-calc, okay? But I would like to know what Abhiram is doing in school before you come back to class next week. Make sense? For the others, I think we can get started. Navneet, what are you doing with Algebra 2? Next year you're going to learn Algebra 2?
Yeah.
So you're good with it, right, already?
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay. Abhiram, can you let me know what will you be doing next week in school after they give out your calendar?
Oh, like for next year?
No, next week in school, I want to know what is the unit that's going to get covered.
I unfortunately don't have any clarity on what we're learning right now.
Whenever you get it, will you forward that to me?
Yeah, if you want, I could send you a message, like a
Yeah.
Gmail.
Your WhatsApp message will really help me. Okay. So, with all said and done, Sri Charan, Ashrita, I know Anya, you are ready for that as well. Okay. So, we'll get started with a little bit of pre-calc next week. Okay. Any questions?
What will the homework be on this week?
What, ma?
What will the homework be on this week?
Oh, this week, whatever we discuss, ma, more problems, meaning a review on the logarithmic exponential word problems and all the types that I gave, right? So, I'll give it to you. Yeah.
Will the formulas be given in the word
I
problem?
will add that. I will add that to the assignment that I give you. Make sense?
Yes.
Any questions? Even in the SAT exam, they'll give you the formula. You don't have to memorize it. It will be a part of the problem. You just need to plug in properly.
Okay.
Makes sense? Yeah. Any questions?
No.
Okay, guys. See you all next week. Have a wonderful week ahead.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank you,
guys.
Miss Priya. Bye.
Bye, guys. Chetan, bye, Chetan.